This coconut yogurt recipe is super simple and all you'll need are just two ingredients. You're going to start off by sterilizing your glass container. Just boil it in warm water for a few minutes. Then you want to take your coconut milk and you want to ensure that you put this in the fridge overnight. That way the cream separates from the water, so you can just scoop the cream out so you can get the desired thickness that you want for your yogurt. Of course, if you want your yogurt to be super thick, then you can just take the cream and leave the water behind. While if you want it a little bit more runny, you can add some coconut water from the tin, just like I do right here. So here I'm taking about 6 tablespoons of the coconut water, just so that my yogurt will be light and smooth. Of course, you can add more or less depending on the desired thickness that you are going for. So once that is done, you're going to mix thoroughly, and this might take a while. I ended up putting mine back in the hot water for a bit, just put in the glass there so that it would mix quickly. And then all you're going to do is get your store-bought coconut, and this is all natural coconut from the store, and you're just going to take 1 tablespoon of that and put it into your coconut milk that you have, right? You're going to mix that in, and then you are simply going to cover it with a cheesecloth or whatever you have on hand. You want to cover it, you want to put it in a dark place to ferment for 24 to 48 hours. So I put mine in my oven and I turned the light on. After about 30 hours, I removed it. So the following day, and I tasted it. So based on how you like it, you can choose to ferment for longer, or you can just put it in the fridge at this moment. I really liked the taste of it. It was nice and tangy, and it pretty much looked like the store. A little taste test. Let's see. It's tangy. Oh my gosh. It does taste like yogurt. Well, this has been proofing for about 30 hours. I left it overnight in the oven with the lights on. This is pretty much what it looked like once I poured it out of the bottle. So it's quite runny, which I like, and light. If you want yours thicker, you just need to add less coconut water. And then you can serve it with your favorite fruits, granola, berries, and enjoy this wonderful and light and tangy coconut yogurt that you can make in the comfort of your own, super cheaply and super quickly. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.